Kyle, what I've done is I have hooped sticky back wash away on my hoop because I'm gonna want to wash away most of the stabilizer. Let's take this up a notch and let's put a little flexi foam on the top of ours.
Stitches down real nice.
Yep. Our next line is actually a finished trim line.
Right.
If we were not going to use a flexi foam. We're gonna actually back that up to the very first one.
And make sure this fits over the stitch lines too.
Okay, we're gonna take this flexi foam and we're just gonna add that because it's gonna give us just a little bit of a poof. We want to trim really close to that stitch line. You will actually see it when you put on the top.
Cute.
So it tends to pucker if you don't tape this down really great. And so I'm gonna put on all 4 sides.
So we're just gonna go on number 6 step again. Oh my gosh, that's darling.
Isn't that darling? It's so cute, and this bag can be used over and over again.